You feel say females are bust gun and they murder people in Jamaica?
What you mean?
Probably.
Yo, they have some hothead female where much crime too.
You know, the man friend who give them gun same, you know the same thing?
Yeah, I know as a woman should have gun, I swear. Yeah, cause right now, to be honest, I don't want one too.
Woman go on in the man war said way. You see pre?
I mean?
Nah man, that's awesome.
Yeah man, woman I do it same way man, they involved in everything. All of them in it.
What you mean right now? Some pussy get me out, you see me?
They say they have some hothead girl to out the road.
What you mean? Same way, so.
I'm overseas, not see overseas stand.
Yeah, girl, a boss gonna kill people. Because a man can use a woman set up an next man. You see me, I mean, I set them to kill it right.
Yeah man.
Whether them catches there, you then go fuck a man. Tell a police to go kill a man. Tell a bad man to go kill a man. Anyway, dead, so.
Same thing where gunman them, they have some girl there do the same thing too. I even do worse.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna tell you something. So if a woman start play them gun daddy, I ready to go shoot people down. Immediately, whether night, day, or in the middle of the sun.
You know, so them find woman not to go out labor at meet with gun.
Yeah, so I tell the woman we hold the gun for the man them, but they not much the crime, you see me?
Yeah man, hold it for them.
We are talking about the woman them and they murder people, so hothead.
The woman have to join and can't left everything for the man.
The things they go out with man, every night to man, you see it.
I don't know, say artists sing about here, that's the matter, you know. Say the girl them bust throat and beating, I don't know the things that are either.
You think the female them, the bust gun and they murder people too? People are human beings, you know. You have good and you have bad. The skit where you see before is only an act. You see me? So it's nothing more than an act. Just to get the point across. You see it? In the realest way. So we still appreciate a subscription. We still appreciate a comment, a like and a share. So don't stop. Continue to watch, you know. And your comments, leave a comment right down there. So we appreciate every comment.